Hi, I'm Dr. Aqsa Sheikh and I head the HAHC Hospital's COVID Vaccination Center. And if it makes any difference, then I'm the first and the only transgender person to head a COVID vaccination center in India. You know, all this conversation it had started with a tweet which I had made कि can I lay claim to be the only trans person heading a COVID vaccination center? And जब मैंने ये ट्वीट की तो एक अपने ऊपर गर्व तो था ही कि being a trans person also I have been able to cross all these obstacles and reach this. But एक साथ में एक sadness भी थी कि 130 करोड़ की आबादी में जहाँ पे इतने हज़ारों हॉस्पिटल्स और वैक्सीनेशन सेंटर्स हैं इंडिया में, why are we not having even a single trans person other than me heading? मेरा जन्म मुंबई में हुआ और वहीं पे मेरी पढ़ाई और परवरिश हुई. And I guess I was around the age of 3 or 4 years when I realized कि I am somewhat different from people around me. My family had raised me as a boy, but मुझे कहीं ना कहीं वहाँ पे वो उनके साथ में, for example, playing with them and all was not very comfortable. So I enjoyed more the company of girls. I also wanted to look like them, I wanted to dress like them. So there was this struggle which happened, but किसी से बोल नहीं सकते थे, किसी से discuss नहीं कर सकते थे. तो there was no one, for example, with whom I discuss this. However, the tension and the stress was building up. अब किसी भी फैमिली के लिए ये एक्सेप्ट करना बहुत ही मुश्किल है कि जिस बच्चे को उन्होंने 18 साल तक एज अ मेल पाला है वो अपने आप को एज अ फीमेल कंसिडर करती है. एंड the option of that this person now wants to live as a female in this society, change their name, change how they look, dress as a female. Pre-transition, I look like a man. Post-transition, I look like a woman. But एक बीच में phase होता है जिस वक्त you don't look like either a male person or you don't look like a female person. And that phase for me lasted for almost a year or a half. And उस दौरान to even go out in public was a challenge. I had long hair, the body had started to look feminine now. And उस वक्त I remember that even my mother used to feel very uncomfortable to just go out and have dinner with me, because everyone would start staring at you. Everyone would say, okay, this person does not look like male, this person does not look like female. Who are they? Why are they like this? और उस दौरान, when I was also teaching, when I was also attending the clinics, though most of the people, since being a doctor, you are in a privileged position, you are in an empowered position, so generally the patients don't directly tell you anything, or they can't discriminate. Rather, it's the patients who are often at the end of discrimination. But those hush-hush talks and those comments and those giggles, they make you very uncomfortable. They also sadly tell you that there is no understanding of gender. And probably, this is why a lot of trans people force themselves to undergo transition even if they don't want to. It was a very high-pressure job. But then we also enjoyed this, and it was a motto right from the beginning that we will also have fun while working. तो कुछ हुआ तो नहीं लगाने पे? In fact, one of my most favorite part of the jobs here is to interact with the people. So now, especially since the 1st of March, a lot of senior citizens and elderly have started coming. And for them, there's a lot of anxiety, to go to a hospital and get the vaccine. And they really like, you know, if someone just tells them, you know, says a hello or asks them how was their experience, if they found any difficulties, just some small talk, you know, and that can really brighten up their day.
नहीं लिया क्या कभी?
ये फर्स्ट है,
नहीं नहीं, कभी टेटनस का किसी और चीज़ का तो लिया होगा ना?
बहुत टाइम हो गया, याद नहीं है।
कोई नहीं, मैं ऐसे इंजेक्शन दूंगी कि आपको मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा, ठीक? ये हमारे हॉस्पिटल के बारे में कैसे पता चला आपको?
हम रोज यहाँ से जाते हैं ऑफिस।
अच्छा,
If you interact with any trans person, and I suggest that you do, talk to them, they are beautiful
okay.
people.
राइट.
A lot of them are dealing with the mental health issues, and this is because समाज ने उनको कैसे ट्रीट किया हुआ है या समाज ने उनको कैसे एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया हुआ है. तो बहुत सारे ट्रांस पर्सन्स हैं, वो भी क्लोजेट में हैं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू कम आउट. सो द prevalence of mental illness amongst the trans persons is disproportionately very high. So I would request all the trans persons who are watching this ki if you can and if it is okay with you, then make yourself more visible, interact with more people. I understand it's hard, I understand it can be triggering and traumatizing, but try it for the larger good. And trust me, not all experiences are bad. Sometimes they can be very beautiful also.